Hey guys, this is AK back again in another video. Today I'm going to trace my drawing in Illustrator. Hope you will like that. So let's get started. The name of the logo is Web Protection VPN. And this is the drawing I've already brought and locked it. I select the pen tool and start tracing. I don't need to be so accurate. I can always edit this later. Now it's time for the globe. I took the ellipse tool and make a circle from the center. And I make another circle as the drawing. Draw another circle on the top and copy this in the bottom. With the shape builder tool, holding the Alt, I clicked unnecessary part and I delete those. And with pen tool, I draw the horizontal and the vertical lines. Now I select the hand, right click, transform, reflect, with vertical selected, press copy. Now I adjust the hand. Now I don't need the drawing anymore. I want the name on the logo, but I need the hand filled with black, and the globe will be more thick. I don't like the VPN. Now let's find the perfect place for the name. Something is not right. Let's change the font. Okay, now set it in the right place. After experiment, I want this into color variant. With Shift Builder tool, by holding Alt, I delete the white part under the text. And this is it. Hope you enjoyed. A sub or a like would be great. See you in the next video.